Y'all gotta see this. I'm at the Riverside Estate, and look at my house. Well, that's not even a house. It's just furniture. Look. What? It's Riverside Estate. Damn. I'm a broken person who bought Luxburg and didn't play it. Bro, why is it taking so long? She messed up. Ew. That's worse. Cause, you know, we must work. It's Bloxburg. In Bloxburg, you learn how to survive. It's taking so long, bro. I'ma play this. I'ma make my own house later. I'ma make my money up to 100,000. It's much better to work on your laptop because it's you just gotta click E. But in your phone, you gotta click it like 2 times. L-I-C-K-Y, L-I-C-I-C, L-I-C-K-Y, L-I-C-K-Y, L-I-C-I-C, L-I-C-K-Y, 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 lick it like a lollipop. Oh, damn. Lick it like lollipop. Oh. Bro, this is a game where you can learn. This is a game that is better. Like, it's not tiring. You learn how to live. It's not like those simulator games. You don't have a goal. Here, you don't have a goal. I mean, you do, but like, your goal is to roleplay, but to survive too. Like, really. You don't just roleplay, you survive. Learn to survive. Seaside Estate, but this is my money. And my house, it's not a house, it's furniture. Licky K-Y, L-I, Licky C-K, Licky Y, Licky I-C, Licky K-Y. Whenever I hear that song, I always remember the Caligaris sisters, their edit. I don't even know if there's an edit of them like that. Is there something like that? An edit of them? Or it's just my maladapted daydreaming? Huh. Legacy repeating the noise. To my sinful senses, I never lost. I never feel ashamed of you singing for pleasure. Who's making me come to my sinful senses? I never lost. I'll never feel ashamed of you singing for pleasure. I miss you, get there. You make me lose my temper. Who's making me come to my sinful senses? I never lost. I'll never feel ashamed